These motherfuckers don't even know. I'ma come in this bitch and I won't ever leave. That's for motherfucking show. Dead ass. Ha ha ha. Lugo. Savage. Hey. I'ma hop up in a private jet and I'ma fly away. Ain't gotta worry about a thing. Mic check, I got a ring, they hitting my line, cause they wantin' me in a different city every day. I know it's crazy, but I told my mama and my little sis that now I'm off to bigger and better things. So watch this shit bounce like a spring. Got them all sprung, my high, do my thing. And no, that don't ever change. I'm about my business, switching lanes. You know I'm coming in to end a hater if they throwing shade my way, but haters gonna hate. But I got you to watch it though, flow explode like some C4. My thoughts go deeper than the sea flow, so I know I'm too cold. Negative below, and everyone that ever doubted my potential can get erased like whenever I put the other end of the pencil to the page. So I'ma hop up in a private jet and fly to a different time zone. Never know when I'm on. You just know I'm in a private jet. I'm gone, ayy. I gotta prove on my wrong and make it happen. I've been doing this for a minute, so I'm intricate with the way I put all these words together so cleverly to paint a picture you can see vividly. I'm into things and she into me, so I'm gonna have her on a private jet riding me just like a cowgirl. So this fluently gonna be private jet music, yeah, you gonna see we in the clouds, smoking Mary Jane and drinking to it, so we won't ever give in to the bullshit. I'ma spray the game with the lyrical forklift. That's just how I know I'm persistent, and my dedication to this music is limitless. So I'ma elevate, then levitate over the competitors and watch them salivate all over themselves. I'm coming for the heavyweight belt and nothing less. I know I'm blessed, so I'ma say I'ma hop up in a private jet and fly to a different time zone. Never know what I'm on. You just know I'm on a private jet. I'm gone, ayy, never gon' quit, no. Breaking every boundary that they laid, so I don't give a fuck. Go to a different time zone, and you'll never know what I'm on. I gotta make them blue faces. I know I ain't never gon' slow, cause I'ma hop up in a private jet and fly to a different time zone. You never know what I'm on. You just gonna know I'm in a private jet, yeah, I'm gone. You just gonna know I'm in a private jet, I'm gone, ayy.